I have not gotten to just go fly a track, like practice mode, for a long time. That's really all I want to do today. So that's the plan. That's it. We're gonna go fly. We're gonna race the track. We're gonna have a good time with it. Packing up a few drones, radio, timing system, extras, charging kit's already over there, ready to go. Just gotta make sure I got everything that I need, and we'll head out, hit the track. Cannot freaking wait. It's so nice outside. Look at that. It's so beautiful. How can I not be out there? Well, I just left, but I'm already heading back home because I completely forgot props, of all things.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me in. Yeah. Gon' play that. Take you down, I'ma say that. Might need me a couple dollars. Telling you now this payback. So I'll take that. Ask them now what stage at. I've been going to the top and I got what they not, so I know that they hate that. But I'm on now. All these lanes gonna zone out. And all these lanes gonna tell you what I did, and they twist and they once till I fall out. But I know that, so I keep what I'm doing cause I own that. And I stay in the lab and I kill everything, but I don't ever move, I'm a Kodak. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there, that tone. Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Cause I'm back in my zone now. Zone now.
Ballin' can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now.
Let me into my zone. Let me into my zone.
My basic setup for practice today. As you can see, I've got my car here with the battery plugged into my charging case. I'm just charging up batteries as I go. I really only am using 4 today, so I just cycle one on, cycle the next one, and just keep going. I'm charging them fast enough that I can take a little bit of a break. I have to wait a little bit, but I could just add another charger here. Then today I'm flying my Floss 3. I was flying my 533 switchback, but it got a little bit dinged up. One of the motors died. Running my Futaba T18 as Z. My HDOs, I don't have any HDO2s yet. I should get some with Roy because I'm super basic. Chair, kind of hidden in the shade of the car. And then around in the back of the car is where I've got all the gear. Here's that switchback. Yeah, she's a little bit unhappy right now that the gray motor, or the gray prop motor there, is dead. Tools, I have my DJI stuff with me because it was already in my case. I should pull this charger out so I can charge some more batteries faster. A whole bag of props here. I brought this little guy, Transtech Demon S. We did a little review on it recently. I was going to charge it up and give it a rip just to see what it's like on a track. Got a spare racing drone. I got timing stuff in here, but I didn't bother setting it up because I don't think I'm going to be here super long. I've got my course set up. I use those like hobby wing gates. I love them. I've got a bunch of flags in here too, but just decided I didn't need them, so. But yeah, that's the basic setup whenever I'm out practicing. It's just bring out as much as you can, but kind of gauged based on the amount of time that you're going to be here. Sun's already starting to get a little bit low, so I don't think I'm going to be out for much more than an hour or so. Plus, I want to get a little more exercise in today before the end of the day, but we're ripping up a storm on the track, having a good time. Just enjoying having some peace and quiet. First of all, there's nobody around, which is nice. And second of all, just glad to be outside for once. So let's get back to flying. Well, I just had a bit of a lights out crash. I hit the wood pole where the volleyball court used to be, and it just went boom. I thought I heard kind of clacking, which is usually a broken arm or something like that. Oh wow, it's surprisingly in one piece. Just unplug. That'd be so nice. Oh, wow. Surprising, just one prop. That one's not coming back. Oh man, I thought that camera was dead for sure. I was pretty sure I smashed it straight on. Yeah, so I exited this gate, started turning and started heading down this way, shooting straight for the gate down there. There's no way that was me, right? Either way, quad looks like it's good, so let's see if it'll get in the air. She's got video. No problem. Wow, can't believe that took that hit. So just another pro tip for you is, so I'm starting to wrap up for the day, just picking up all the gates and getting everything packed into the car. But while I'm doing that, I'm just going to top off my radio battery. And I'm storage charging this one because I pushed it a little bit too low. And then also charging up my goggles just while I'm packing up. So I'll just make sure this is the last thing I pack. But then I'll have a fresh charged radio, fresh charged goggles the next time I want to go flying. So just use your time wisely while you're out, even if you're not actively putting the gates up. Figured I'd show you the two rigs that I'm working with today. This one is my Floss 3. This has kind of been my workhorse for the last couple years of racing. Floss 3 is fine. It's not amazing, but it's just a simple frame, and I like simple when it comes to racing. I got a Hobbywing 60 amp stack in there. There's a white noise Synergy for the flight controller. It uses the 2000 SBM Futaba receiver. On the other side you can see there's a little Nano Crossfire. This one's got a Runcam Nano 2, I think. I've got some Nano 3s that are ready to go in. I just haven't switched them over. For the powertrain, I'm using Hobbywing 2207 1750 kV motors, and the props are HQ R42 GRPC. And then on this side we've got the this is the other test quad that I was flying today. It's the Fly 33 or Fly 533 switchback. Also the Runcam Racer 3. It's also got Hobbywing 2207 1750 kV motors with the same props. It's got the Hobbywing 40 amp 20x20 ESC, as well as the Talon F7 flight control board. It's got a Nano Crossfire and a Futaba 2000 SBM. Pretty much the same build, just a different frame with the 20x20 components, and they both flew awesome. I love this switchback frame. I've been wanting to, I basically need to do a review on it at some point, but it does some amazing stuff, especially with the bottom plate. It has these, I can't show you through the battery pad, but you see that screw that's right underneath the battery pad there? Basically that screw on each side sandwiches, like super sandwiches the whole bottom plate down to keep the arms super rigid and from moving at all. So this thing is just like a freaking tank. It's amazing, but it's also extremely light, and it's got these the side force generators, which maybe is all hype, I don't know. I've been enjoying having them. It definitely tracks amazing. It's busted right now because this motor got a little bit loose and the motor burned up. But yeah, no, I'm absolutely in love with this thing, and I can't wait to get it out more. But I'll show you some footage from the session. But for now, we gotta clean up and get on out of here. Okay, everything's packed away. It was a great day of practice. Again, didn't really accomplish that much other than I just wanted to get out and fly in the beautiful weather. It's so nice to get back on the sticks again and just feel fast again. Like I've been doing so much cine stuff and big drones and creative stuff, and it's like, no, let's just go fast for a bit. So I was glad to be out here just ripping it up. Thank you guys for coming along on this adventure. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Stay flying.